Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access. Make sure you and your students can open Google Classroom and Jamboard. First actionable step. In your class, click Create Right Arrow Assignment or Material, then select Add Right Arrow Google Drive, Right Arrow New Right Arrow Jamboard. Name the board clearly so students find it. Once done, choose Sharing Permissions. Give Students Editor if you want live collaboration, or Viewer if you will annotate only. This saves time later, because permissions control whether students can write directly or only view your. Now design the work. Open the Jamboard and create frames for each step of the activity. Use the pen tool for teacher notes, sticky notes for student responses, and shapes to create zones. Duplicate frames to give each student or group a blank copy. Once the board looks right, attach it to the assignment and include explicit instructions and time limits in the description. Make sure to set whether students edit in their copy or the shared board. This controls classroom noise and helps you assess contributions efficiently. To finish, open the submitted Jamboard from Classroom or Drive and review frames. Leave targeted comments and return the assignment with feedback. If you need records, export frames as PNG or PDF or make a class copy for your records. If students report trouble accessing the whiteboard, first confirm sharing settings and that they are signed into the correct Google account. Next, advise clearing cache or trying an incognito window. If that fails, duplicate the Jamboard and share a fresh link to restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.